morning students. So next topic is a circular flow of income. Okay, so why it is called circular flow of income? Because it's move in a circle. If you will see over here, I have make a circle over here. It's an unending process. Okay, it is neither have a beginning. You cannot guess it from where it is begin or where it's end. Okay, so that's why it's called a circular flow. Okay, so circular flow of income, it refers to unending flow of the activity of production, income generation and expenditure among different sector of the economy. Okay, so by this we can clear it that production, income generation and expenditure. Production, who do the production? Producer is doing the production. Okay, how the producer is getting income? By selling the goods. Okay, and whatever goods are manufactured by the producer, the consumer is purchasing it. Okay, so in this way there is a circular flow of income. Income is flowing from one sector to another sector. Fine. So each activity means whenever the producer is producing, income generation by the producer and expenditure by the consumer. So each and every activity has a cause as well as consequence. Okay, cause and consequence means reason and effect. Okay, so same can be the reason, expenditure can be the reason of income generation, production can be the reason of income generation can be the reason of production. Okay, and its consequences can be expenditure. Are you getting this? Okay, so all are dependent on each other. Fine. So why is it called circular flow? As I told you earlier also, why is it called circular flow? Because it has neither beginning or nor end. ना तो इसका शुरुआत है ना ही कोई एंड है. ठीक है, हमें नहीं पता कि ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ और कहाँ खत्म हुआ, प्रोडक्शन से शुरू हुआ या एक्सपेंडिचर से शुरू हुआ. इट मूव्स इन अ सर्कल कमिंग बैक टू द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. ओके, ये एक सर्कल में घूमता है और स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में. इफ यू विल सी ओवर हेयर, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो, वी कैन नॉट गेस इट कि इनकम जो है वो यहाँ से जनरेट हुई, प्रोडक्शन, हु इज चेजिंग वन. ओके, so how it works? Okay, how it works? Income is first generated by production, then distributed among household for their factor services. Okay, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो इनकम है that is generated by production. Okay, so by the production they are generating income. Suppose a company is making matchbox. Okay, so by selling the matchbox, company is earning income. Okay, and this income is distributed among household for the factor services. Whatever the factor services we have already discussed, that land, labor, capital, these are the factor services which are given by the household sector. Okay, so same will come back to firm by consumption expenditure. अब क्या हो रहा है कि household sector जो है that is doing the consumption expenditure, so same will comes back to firm by consumption expenditure. So this consumption expenditure is coming back from there. In this way there is a circular flow of income. Clear? So this is called a circular flow of income. Okay, as I have made the flow chart over here also. Income that is generated by producer sector, payment by the household sector. Now I hope you are not having any confusion. Payment, why payment? Because household sector is buying goods from the producer sector. Okay, and same way household is doing the consumption means buying the goods and services from the producer sector. So this is called circular flow of income. Fine. So three phases of circular flow of income you can see over here, that is production of goods and services. Who did it? Who is doing it? Producer sector. Okay, and then by selling it, generation of income is there. Income is generated, then this income is these goods are purchased by the household sector, expenditure of income. So this way it's not a ending process. Okay, fine, thank you. Okay, next is the significance of circular flow model, and this is the last topic of second chapter. So significance means importance. Why we are studying circular flow of income? Okay, why we are studying that income is circulated in a never ending process. Okay, so estimation of national income. Okay, in the third chapter we are going to detail study about the national income, but here you can understand as national income is the sum total of factor income. Factor income is rent, profit, wages and interest. Okay, so by the circular flow of model, we can estimate national income. We know how much income is generated by the household sector, by the producer sector and others. Fine. So, knowledge of intersectoral interdependence. In this way, or in this circular flow model, we can have a knowledge of intersectoral interdependence. Means how all the sector are dependent on one another. Household sector is dependent on producer sector. Producer is dependent on household. Same as I say, government sector is dependent on household and producer. Producer and household is also dependent on government sector. So if you will see, external sector is also there. It is also dependent. So ultimately, if you will see, all the sectors are interdependent on each other. But how do we know it? We know about from the circular flow of model. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, thank you.